Hi everyone, I'm Yoji Lok. So welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about how to use multi-edit text in your design. So in your day-to-day work life, so you came across and you collaborate with multiple teams, right? So for example, your UX writer or the content writer came to you and asked you about to change a particular text that you wanted to change across your product. So if it's like 1 to 2 screens or like 10 screens, if you want to do it manually you can do it, or else if you have screens like hundreds of thousands of screens where the particular text should be changed into a different text. So in that point of time what you have to do is you have to use the multi-edit text for sure, because you cannot go around all the screens changing the text manually, because it will take so much time, it will take you so much efforts and resources. I'll explain you how. Let's jump into the Figma.
So currently we are in the Figma application. So if you see here, I have already created two components. I'll show you. So in your design, if you have two sets of designs, okay, for example, I have created as a light and as a dark for the design perspective. So if you see here, we have a card, and inside the card there are the contents and image content, and as well as these details and also CTA buttons. And see, in the dark we also have the same thing. So in most of the cases, the designers usually go to that particular item and type it orange. So they have to go to the another design or the frame and type the text again. So to avoid these kind of steps or the workflow, I have a tool called select matching layers and also multi-text edit. So the reason why they kept is that if you are having two screens, it's fine. But if you are having multiple screens, like 4 or 8 screens, 8 screens at a time, how you are going to edit is the question, right? So to make life easier, Figma have done these features and options, which I'll be showing you in a while. So here we have the text called orange, right? So here the first card, it has orange name, and the second card, and they have all the orange names here. I want to change this orange name to apple. Either I can do it apple individually, I can able to change. Since these things are time consuming, so don't do these things. Okay, so I'll just undo the changes. So what I'll do is I'll just press command in the Mac, and I'll select the particular text. If you select, there will be an option here next to the text. It's called select matching layers. If you click that, see, it shows all the matching layers, what all it has. So again, if you see in this section, so you have selected eight selected cards that are there in the screen, and next to it we have multi-edit text, select matching layers, apply variables, and more actions. So you have to click this multi-edit text. Once you click this, apply the word or the text that you want to change. I want it as apple. So if you see here, this apple text is changed in all the cards. Pretty simple, right? So again, I'll just click this. I'll go to this text section. I'll select matching layers. I have selected 8 cards, and I'll click the multi-edit text. I'll name it as banana. So if you see here, the text is changed in all the cards. So that's simple, the Figma have made. So try this out.
So that's it, guys. This is how you have to do the multi-edit text feature into your design and practice it. If you really like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll motivate me to add a lot of videos into this YouTube. We can learn a lot, and if you have any doubts, put your thoughts in the comment section. I'll reply as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.